Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again, and I'm really happy because today's video will help you to be able to trade to some extent, and of course we will be checking out how to analyze the market and how we can make some good profit for ourselves. And if you follow the trade, then definitely you can make some good profit for yourself at the end of the day, okay? Because I tagged it easiest way to make $100 in forex trading boom and crash. Okay, so that is what we will be checking out in this video. I'm not just going to be explaining to you, I will be using my explanation to do my analysis in the market so that we will know what to go for even as we are explaining. I think that will help you guys. I mean, it will give you a lot of confidence within the market. At least you will know what I am talking about, and you will be able to take some action on your own and make some good profit for yourself at the end of the day. And of course, if you are able to make $100, I think it is not a joke. Okay, you're going to appreciate it that way, that you are able to go through a forex training session and you are still able to make up to $100 right from there. Okay guys, so now let's go straight into what we are right here. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course make sure you understand every strategy share, and of course do your own personal practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? So quickly, let's go straight into what we are right here. So guys, in case you have any question at all, feel free to drop your question in the comment section. And if you want to ask personal question, probably you want to know more about the trading tools I'm using, then you can send message to me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is in the description box below this video, so you can check it out right from there. So now let's go straight into what we are right here. Okay, so like I said, if you can make $100, if you can make $20, $30, $40, $50, then you can make any amount of money, okay, right here from the forex market. All you just need to do is just to apply the same strategy which you have used to make a small amount of money on it. Okay, that is how it works. Okay, like I always been telling you, okay, if for you to trade any of these assets, these trade things must be in good condition, okay, which is the trend. The trend is very, very important. In short, it is most it is the most important of all. Okay, so once you are able to get the direction of the market, then you should know that you should follow the direction. You don't trade against the trend. If you trade against the trend, then you are most likely to lose your money. Okay, the only way you can trade against the trend is when you are trying to lose your money. Okay, so, and I don't think anyone would like to lose his or our own money, okay, right from here. Okay, so the trend is always very, very important. You should know how to identify your trend, and there are tools that can help you to know to identify these, and of course I will be showing one to you right from here. Okay, so of course your support and resistance zone is also very, very important, because that will help you to know your entry point and your exit point. Okay, it will help you to know your entry point and your exit point. So once you are able to identify your entry point and your exit point, then definitely you are cool with it. Okay, you don't have any issue. Then your lot size will help you to maintain your stand within the market, even if the market is not in your favor at that particular point. Okay, maybe it's not coming in your direction, then it can still help you to hold yourself within the market. So far you are very sure of the trend, then definitely it will still go in your direction. Okay, because sometimes you will know that, okay, this thing has, probably the market has gotten to a support zone, it has been oversold, then definitely you should start buying from the support zone. But immediately it got to the support zone, you didn't start buying immediately, and you've placed your order already, so it is giving you a lot of threats. Sometimes you might be scared. But if you are using the right lot size, then you'll just be you'll be having the assurance that it will definitely go back into that trend. It will only give you a delay. It will only delay the time you should go into profits, okay, for a while, but it will definitely go back into profit. Okay, so that is how it works. So your lot size can help you a lot to maintain your stand in the market. Okay, so now let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so we'll be checking out the chart one after the other and see where we can grab opportunity for today. Okay, this is boom 1000, and of course just the way we have seen it. Okay, you can see that. Okay, this is a very good example of what I explained to you about using the right lot size. I picked up this trade yesterday, but immediately I picked it up, it's supposed to sell, but it's bought a bit. It had a pullback around there. It has broken out from the support zone. So when it broke out, I expect it to sell till it got to, this is where I put my TP. Okay, but it's didn't, immediately it broke out, it went back again, it pulled back and give me a lot of red. Okay, but right from there it came down. When it got to this resistance zone, it came down and got to the take profit, and of course close my trade in profit. That is the example of you holding your market, having confidence within the market whenever you are using your TP, most especially once you are still within the right trend. Okay, so that is it. Okay guys, this got to the support zone, and of course you can see it bought right from here till it got to the resistance zone. Okay, so right from this resistance zone, you can see it has tried it out several times. It was unable to break it, and of course it has given us triple head around here, and of course we know that it should sell, and that is why I said you should also know your trend. Okay, around here you can see the red flag shows us that the market will be selling, and the red arrow shows us that the market that we should start selling right from here. For those of you that are having this indicator, I'm very sure you should have milked the market as at this morning. Okay, you should be milking the market right from here as at this morning, and of course you should have made a lot of profit even with that. Okay, you should have made up, if you had coming right from here, you would have made a lot of profit with that, because that would have given you quite a lot of profit at the end of the day. So check it out. Right from here to here, this will have given you 22 candles. If you are making $1 per minute, that is $22. If you are making $5 per minute, that is more than $100. You can imagine that alone would have given you $100, depending on your trading capital. Okay, right here the market is ranging, so it is trying to check out the support zone again. Okay, trying to check out the support zone again. I love using the tiny one. Let me use this, okay, so that it won't be too tiny. Okay, it needs to break out below the support zone. Here is a major, there are two major support zones around here. So we've got a major one and a minor one, so it needs to break out below these two support zone. Okay, the first one, it needs to get to this. So if you are in the market and once it is approaching this, then you should stay away from the market and allow it to break out from there. Once it breaks out from there, then here is the next support zone. It's going to sell till it gets to this. Okay, so once it breaks out from this, then okay, then it will keep on selling until it gets to this support zone. Okay, this support zone. So here is another take profit. Okay, so you can take advantage of that. Okay, so here is another one. Okay, let's leave this at somewhere here. Okay, so these are the take profit that you should take note of. This is the first one, here is the second one, and here is the third one. Okay, so if it now breaks out from here, then definitely we are looking at somewhere here for the next take profit. Okay, but at this stage there will be ranging market at this stage, but this is very certain. Once it breaks out from here, then definitely this is also certain. Okay, so you can take advantage of that. Now let's check out boom 500. Let's see what is happening with boom 500. Boom 500 has been selling since, but right now going on buy trend. Okay, it is going on buy trend, and of course the first target for it is somewhere here. Okay, this, it should buy till it gets to this region. Even if it's going to pull back, then the next target is somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here. Okay, so you should take note of these two. Okay, so once it breaks out from any of these two, then the next target is this. Okay, yeah, very good. The next target is this. So I'm trying to highlight those areas that you should pinpoint your take profit, so that you guys can have more confidence within the markets. Once it gets there, then definitely you can take your profits right from there. Okay, so that is very, very important. So it's going to be more spiky on boom 500. If you're not good with spike trade or trading of spikes, okay, then you can stay away from boom 500. That is very, very important. Okay, now let's check out crash 1000. Okay, this is crash 1000, still on 5-minute time frame, guys. This had been on downtrend before, but it has got into this support zone and it is unable to break out from here. Okay, so it's trying to go back into an uptrend at the moment. Okay, so now let's see where we should be looking out for. Of course, it is very close to a place. Once it breaks out above this, then definitely this is going to be the next TP we should be looking out for, but we should allow it to break out above this first before before we can jump into the trade. So if you are in the market, I will advise you to close your trade right away. Okay, because it's very close to this resistance zone. Okay, so once it breaks out above it, then definitely this is going to be the next one. And if it breaks out above this, then guys, here is going to be the next TP you should be looking out for. Okay, so you guys should take note of that. Within this period and this period, you will have made more than $100 depending on the trading capital and the lot size you are using. So let's check out crash 500 also. Okay, this is crash 500, and just the way we have seen it, this had been on uptrend and it has got into this resistance zone, so may likely crash any moment from now. Okay, so once it crash, we need to know if it is just a pullback or it is a total reversal in price action. And if it breaks out above this, then the next resistance zone is what we should be looking out for. But this is most likely to crash any moment from now, so wait for that to happen before you can go on with the analysis. Okay, so that is very, very important. Now let's check out boom 300. And of course, I always advise you to trade this carefully because it is the most volatile of all. Okay, this is boom 300, and this has been on downtrend right from this resistance zone. Okay, still on 5-minute time frame, and of course, just the way you have seen it, this has been having a kind of difficulty to break out from this support zone. Okay, so it might be trying it out again to see if it will break out from there. If it breaks out from there, then definitely we should be looking at somewhere here as the next support zone. Somewhere here as the next support zone. Okay, you know, this is very highly volatile, so we need to be very careful. So it needs to break out from this support zone also before we can go further. Okay, so that is very, very important. Okay, but right now, if it's unable to break out from if it's unable to break out from this support zone, may likely go back into a buy trend right from there. And if it goes back into a buy trend from there, then definitely it will want to get to this region before there will be any major pullback or reversal in price action. And if it breaks out above it, then definitely it will keep on buying right from there. So you need to take note of that. So let's check out crash 300 also. Okay guys, this is crash 300, and of course, just the way we have seen these. Okay, like I have said earlier on, your trend is always very, very important once you understand the trend, because most of you might be asking me, how am I getting all the take profit, support, the direction of the market. Your trend is very important. Okay, so once you get the trend right, and of course you already know the support and resistance zone, then you will find it very easy to do your analysis. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, this has got into this resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from this resistance zone, so it's might want to try it out again. If it tries it out and it breaks out, then definitely this is what we should be looking out for, this particular resistance zone. Okay, but if it's unable to break it out, then that means it will have to crash down, that is sell to some level. Okay, so that is very, very important. So with all these analysis and explanation, I believe you should be able to do to trade successfully with this analysis, so that you can make some good profit for yourself at the end of the day. You can watch the video over and over. This will help you to make some good profit for yourself at the end of the day. So I will be stopping right there. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away, so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So guys, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.